In today's video, I thought I'd do something a little different, take you out to my garden. Today is green pepper day. We're going to get all these peppers picked. I am going to show you how I get them ready for the freezer, so I hope you'll come along with me while I put this together. This I just wanted to show you real quick. I don't use this thing that often, but boy, when you need to rinse off something, it's perfect. Look at how it fits in the sink, and I like how you can adjust it. So I just wanted to point that out. I'm going to go ahead and get the green peppers cleaned and rinsed off. I am just going to cut strips of green pepper. That seems to work the best for all the cooking that I do. If I need them smaller, once they're frozen, I can always cut them smaller. Now I want to rinse them one more time. And now I'll just go ahead and get the strips cut. One way to save money is to use the cheaper little Walmart bags, but I'm also going to use a freezer bag. So what I'm going to do is put one serving size in each little bag, and then once I get all the little bags, I'm going to put them in the freezer bag to freeze. Once I get that done, I'm going to go ahead and grab that freezer bag, and I'm just going to fill that bag with as many as I can. I'm pretty sure I can get all of these into one bag. Then I'm going to squeeze all the air out, and it will be ready for the freezer. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button, and thanks for watching today.